In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a star. A granny star, that is. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. For today's crochet project, I'm going to show you how to crochet a star. I'm so excited. So for this crochet project, you're going to need yarn, of course. For this crochet project, I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color light yellow. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You'll need a yarn needle as well, and a pair of scissors. Well, I'm going to roll up my sleeves just a tad, and I'm ready to get crocheting now. So let's get started with creating this granny star crochet project. Now this granny star is made up of a magic circle. Now, if you do not know how to do a magic circle, it's okay. Just pause this video, save it to your watch later, and go ahead and click here. That is a link to a video where I did a tutorial that will show you how to do a magic circle step by step. I also will link it in the description below. The other crochet skills that you would need in order to create this granny star is slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, treble stitch, and you will need to know how to chain. If you do not know how to do that, here is a link to a video series where I will teach you the basics of crochet. Again, pause the video, save it to your watch later, check out the video. I also will link it in the description below, and then come on back and we'll be ready to go ahead and crochet this granny star crochet project. Okay, so that's enough talk. Let's go ahead and get started with crocheting. So again, we're going to start off with a magic ring. It's also called a magic loop or a magic circle. Everybody calls it different things. Okay, so there's our magic circle, and we already have one chain on our hook. So let's go ahead and do another chain. So we have 2 chains on our hook. So we're going to be working clusters into our magic circle. So the first cluster, we chain 2, and we're going to be working using the half double crochet. So the chain 2 is going to act as our first half double crochet and give us the height that we need to match up with our half double crochets. So let's go ahead and create a half double crochet and put it inside our magic circle. So yarn over, insert our hook, pull up, 1, 2, 3 loops is on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all through 3 loops. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that again. Yarn over, insert our hook into the magic circle, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, those 3 loops we're going to pull through. Okay, and that is our first cluster. Go ahead and chain 2. Okay, so now, and actually before we do that, I'm going to just close up our circle just a little bit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 clusters of 3 half double crochets. Okay, so let's do the first cluster together. Yarn over, insert our hook into the magic circle, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, and 1 more. Yarn over, insert our hook, there's our 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through. Okay, so there's our 3 half double crochets. We're going to chain 2. Okay, so now we're going to repeat this 3 more times, and I'll meet you when you're on your last half double crochet cluster. So now for our half double crochet cluster, yarn over. There's our 3 loops. Move the tail out the way. Pull through all 3 loops. Just gonna move this tail behind. Okay. Yarn over, insert our hook into the magic circle. 3 loops, yarn over, pull through. And the last one, yarn over, insert our hook in, pull up, 1, 2, 3 loops is on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Chain 2, 1, 2, and we're gonna slip stitch our 2 chains to the beginning 2 chains that started this project. Okay, and go ahead and slip stitch. And you can close up the magic ring just a bit. So that completes round 1. Now for round 2. Round 2 is my favorite round because we actually are going to create the points of this crocheted star. Okay, so we're going to be working in between our clusters that we created. Okay, so where we're going to work is we're going to work in this space right here. So it is where we just joined together our first round. We're going to be working right below this chain space right here, this chain right here that's on our hook. Okay, so right here is where we're going to be working. So in this space, we're going to put a slip stitch. So insert your hook, pull your yarn all the way through the chain that was on your hook. Okay, now what you're going to do is place a single crochet in the very same space. So go ahead, pull up, 2 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 2 loops. Okay, now we're going to be working a half double crochet all in this same space. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up, 1, 2, 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, now we're going to work a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up, 1, 2, 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now for a treble stitch. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in that same space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now we're going to be working a picot stitch, and let me show you how to do that. You're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Count down 3 from the hook. 1, 2, 3. In this stitch, see this little bar right here? You're going to put a single crochet in that space. So insert your hook, pull through, 2 loops is on your hook. Okay, yarn over and pull through both loops. Doing that picot stitch, it creates a little point. So see there, that little point? That little point is created from doing that picot stitch. Now what we're going to do, still working in this same stitch, we're going to do a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, same space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now let's do a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Half double crochet now, yarn over, pull your yarn up, 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, now for single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up the 2 loops that's on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now what we're going to do is do a slip stitch, and we're going to do a slip stitch in our next space right here. Okay, so in this next corner space, in between our two half double crochets clusters, we're gonna do a slip stitch into our next space. And see that whole cluster that we did, and I know it was a lot of stitches, but look, there is our point to our star. Pretty. So now what we need to do is we need to repeat. We need to repeat all of these stitches that we did here in each one of these corner spaces. Okay, so let's do it together. So we're going to start off with a single crochet, okay, half double, a double crochet, treble crochet, picot stitch, chain 3. That back bar, put a single crochet, triple crochet now, or treble crochet. Double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch to our next space. Okay, let's repeat it. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble stitch, picot stitch, chain 3, back bar, put a single crochet, treble stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch into your next corner. Okay, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, picot stitch, chain 3, back bar, put a single crochet, treble stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch into your next and final corner space. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble stitch, picot stitch, chain 3, 2, 3, back bar, put a single crochet stitch, okay, treble crochet, let's do that one again. My yarn went a little crazy. Okay, treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and we're going to slip stitch now into the bottom of our beginning cluster stitch. Okay, so I'm going to turn our work. Just find a space right there to slip stitch and pull up on your yarn. And go ahead and cut your yarn. Now let's go ahead and sew in our tails. Here is our finished crocheted star. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.